Hi everyone, Attorney Rachel Kelley here with another Family Law Friday. This week I'm answering the question of, can I change my child support once the court has ordered it? So the answer is yes. Child support can change under one of two circumstances. So the first and easiest way that child support can change is that every 3 years from entry of your order, you can have your child support recalculated. In fact, if the friend of court is responsible for processing your child support, you should be getting a letter from them every 3 years asking you if you want your child support revisited. If either you or your ex says yes, they want child support revisited, then the friend of court is going to send you a request for income information, and they are going to recalculate your support based on the information that they've requested and what you've provided. They will actually make that an order of the court unless either you or your ex objects to it within a certain time period from when you receive that new order. Now, let this be a reminder to you that if you have moved or changed addresses since your child support order entered, or since your divorce was final, or your custody case was final, it's your responsibility to update both the friend of court who processes your child support and the circuit court where you were divorced or had your child support ordered with your new address. If you fail to update your address, there could be consequences for you in the future. Now, the second way that child support can change is when, if there have been any changes to your life circumstances that cause the inputs into the child support formula to change such that when a new number gets spit out, the new number has changed by either 10% of what the old number is per month or $50 per month, whichever is greater. So the inputs into the child support formula I discussed in last week's video, so I'm going to encourage you to go back and look at that to consider whether you might have a situation where a change or an update is necessary. But one of the things that you really want to think about is, okay, if you know there's been changes, looking at that dollar figure and seeing how much it has changed. So for example, if you receive $400 in child support per month right now, then in order for you to be eligible for a change, you need to either have had 3 years pass since entry of your last child support order, or when you input all the current numbers into the child support formula, the resulting amount needs to be $450 or greater or $350 or less, because 10% of $400 is only $40. So it has to apply the $50 standard. But if your child support order is $600, then the change has to be by $60 more or $60 less in order for the court to issue changes. I hope that this video was helpful. A lot of people get very confused about child support, and it is one of the most important functions of the friend of court. If you think that your child support needs to be recalculated and you want to speak with us about that, give our office a call. We'll set you up for a strategy session where we can review with you whether it is worthwhile for your child support to be requested to be changed. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a great day.